Alright, this is a 2-seater couch, and I have one that's like a 3 or 4-seater. I'll show you that some other time what I did. However, the problem I had with this, once you sit on these cushions, the springs are so bad, you would sink down, at least 6 to 8 inches. So it's not very comfortable to sit on at all. So all I did, and again, this is going to be a nice real quick video. All I did is I measured the distance of this couch from here to here. It was about 46 inches from front to back, 24. Now, I couldn't find a piece quite deep enough, but I think it's going to work out okay. And it was actually an inch or two too long. So when I put this piece in, I slid this side in first. Now this side over here, there's a little bit of a, as it slid down, it created a little bit of a hump, which is fine. Once I slid it past down there and slipped it underneath, even though it's pretty close to the edge, it's fitting in there really good. So the next thing to do is I've got these 2 cushions. I'm going to slide these in. I wish I had, waited to do that, and I could have showed you how actually, low everything sat. But I think from the description you'll get the idea. All right, in order to squeeze these in, not you, it's push. I'm going to push underneath the cushion in the back a little bit. All right, so that's sitting back where it needs to go, and then this one here. Make sure I got the back. Alright, so the zipper, the back. At some point I'd like to take these off and wash this down. Slip this one in here. And so, so I avoided using this couch because it really wasn't all that comfortable. Now, alright, so both cushions are in. Alright, now granted, that's not a perfect fix. However, it makes it much more comfortable for getting in and out of this couch. I will consider that a success. Alright, so sitting in this now, everything is held up pretty good. The cushion is plenty soft enough even with that wooden board underneath. I am not sinking down this far like I was before. I'm not, this is a very old couch. It was given to me, didn't cost anything. I don't need to buy a new one. I have cats, which is another reason why I'm not doing new furniture. That board is about, I think it's a 5/8 inch thick plywood, and you happy? You look at that. Look at you. 5/8 plywood. So plenty thick enough to keep this firm. So now if I have company over, they're going to be, I think, pretty comfortable. So I hope you like this little quick video of my mobile home life. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.